If you are watching this video right now, consider yourself to be in huge luck for coming across this video, because I'm just about to show you how to build your cash flow or passive income by owning a social media marketing panel or platform where people can come to your platform to buy social media followers, subscribers, likes, views, comments for any social media platform at all, like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and many more. Why everything is automated without you operating it manually. You are not doing anything manually, and you are going to keep earning your own income automatically. So this is something fully automated and works with anybody, whether you are a techie or you are not even a techie. You can build your business or you can build your cash flow around this. It doesn't affect your day-to-day business. It doesn't affect your job. It doesn't affect your other businesses at all. So you are actually in luck. So let me dive you into the demo video on how this operates. So before I continue this video, make sure you click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Without further ado, let us get started. This is the admin dashboard. This is the home page right here. And mind, if you want to get this script, check the link in the description below to get the script. And if you cannot develop as well, you can also check the same link to see how we can help you. So let us get started. This is the home page right here. You can see we have the home page, and anything on this home page can be customized, right? And this is the admin end where your own control is, where you see your dashboard, you see your users, you see the number of orders, people that place orders, where you set your services, where you do so many other things. So this is the place you see the orders that people place on your platform. This is the drip field, subscriptions, services. This is where you view all your services. This is where you see your transaction logs, your category, your users, your subscribers. This is where you see the tickets. If your users create any tickets, probably to make a complaint or to inform you about something, this is where you see that. And this is where you do your settings. So let me go to settings right here. And after the settings, we have the API provider. This is where you set your API providers. This is where you set your payment gateways. We have several payment gateways as well. This is where you set your payments bonuses, the modules, and other things. Also the notifications. If you want to send notifications to people, this is where you do that as well. So this is the settings right here. And on these settings, this is where you input your brand name. You can see the website name, which is Digitech Boost right here, and other things, the website description, the website title, we have it right there. So looking at this one, this is where the website logo is. This is where you change your favicon, you change the website logo, the logo map, and the white version of your logo, right? And this is where you also do your templates. You can see there are 3 different templates right here. The homepage template, this is one of the homepage templates. You can decide to change the templates. So let me show you another template. All what you just need to do is to select the templates, click on save. You can see update successfully. So let me reload this home page. You will see that it's going to show a new template, right? So let me log in the admin back. So you can see this is where you can change your header colors and buttons, right? You can change it to purple, light blue, cool sky, dark ocean, and so much more, right? This is where you do your cookie policy. You set your cookie policy right here. This is where you set your terms and policy right here. Everything should be here, right? And many other things. This is where you do your manual payment integration. If you want people to make payments manually, maybe people that have issue in paying automatically through the payments gateways, they can also pay directly to your bank account, right? So let me go to the payments integrations right here. So you can see we have three different payment integrations right here. We have the PayPal checkout, we have the Paystack, and we have the Stripe checkout. And you know the Paystack works for any country in Africa, right? So if you are in Ghana, if you are in Nigeria, South Africa, you can use this payment gateway to provide your services to people in Africa. You can see it right here. And if you want the service to be for USD, maybe you are in United States, Russia, or any other country, United Kingdom, so you can use Stripe, and you can also use PayPal, right? So this works perfectly for any country as well. So let me now go to the user dashboard. I'm going to show you how a user can actually buy a service, and everything is going to be automated at the back end, right? This is the back end right here. So that means I don't need to control anything as the website owner, right? By the time you become the owner, you don't need to control anything. You don't need to do anything. Anything or any service the user gets will be automatically run by itself, right? So let us continue. Let me go to the user end. So this is the user end right here, and we have the user new order. That means if a user wants to place a new order, the person has to choose from the category. So let me use TikTok followers for an example. You need to choose from the services. So by the time you choose from the services, it's going to show the minimum amount, the maximum amount the user can buy, and the price of that particular service. Also, it will display the description, that is what the user has to follow. Mind you, this thing that works on PC works exactly on mobile. That means you can use any device to use this, right? So you can use it on mobile, you can also use it on PC. So the user just needs to put the link of the page, right? Once the user inputs the link of the page, inputs the quantity of the followers he or she wants, then it's going to pay. And once it is paid, it's going to be automated. It's going to be automated on your home backend, and your service is going to start working automatically without you doing anything. So this is the statistics. This is the page that is going to show the number of orders the user has bought, the number of completed orders, the number of processing orders, the number of progress orders, pending orders, partial, cancelled orders, and refunded orders. So you can see the dashboard is well designed, right? And this is where the user can also add fund. You can see the user can add fund from here, and this is where the manual payment is also going to be displayed. Anything that is performed from this user end will automatically be executed on the back end, which is your own admin end right here. This is the admin end where everything is being controlled automatically, and this is the user end whereby by the time you start promoting your platform to people, once they register, they will be able to land on this page. They will fund their wallet, select the service they want to buy. You can see there are a lot of services right there, and a lot of services that you can add. You can add unlimited number of services to it, unlimited number of platforms, depending on what you integrate on your platform once you own it, right? So you can see the services, the links, and everything is going to be performed automatically. So once your user funds their wallets, and it's going to appear in their statistics right here, their balance is going to show right here, and once they come to new order, they'll be able to place their order. Once they place their order, they'll be able to view their orders as well, and it's going to be automated and delivered to them, right? So this is the admin dashboard. Anything that is performed in the user dashboard is going to be automatically shown here, and you can see your earnings, the profits that you'll be making in a day also would be appearing like this one. Look at this total profits today, that's 30,731 naira. You can see the total amount received. You can see the total amount received right. So that is how it's going to be displaying on your user end. And mind you, this works for any currency, any country, you understand. But for the purpose of this video, I only use Naira. So it can also work for Ghana cedis, it can work for USD, it can work for euros, or any currency at all, right? So any user that register, you'll be able to see them here. Any order that is being placed will be executed automatically, and you'll be able to also track everything right here. In case there's anything you need to correct or anything that you need to do, you will see everything right there. But mind you, everything is automated. This is really a secret and a cash flow method that anyone, whether you're techie or you're not, right? So if you want to get access to this script, you need to click on the link in the description below, and once you click on the link, it's going to redirect you right here, or you just send me a message on WhatsApp, right? So once it redirects you right here, you can see we have two options right here, which is the regular and the extended, right? So the regular means if you want to buy the script alone, and when you read the description, it says regular license best for developers or anyone that can install and customize by themselves. So if you can install the script by yourself, do all the customization by yourself, then you can go for the regular license. But the extended license, let's come here, it says with this license, setup and customization is done by us, best for non-developers. So it is very simple. If you go with the extended license, that means we will be the ones to develop everything for you from scratch, right? We will be able to install it for you, get the domain for you, and help you to get started, explain the major things that you need to understand, right? So, and you can also change the currency from here. You can see you can change to Ghana cedis to see your pricing. If you are from Ghana, you can see. If you want to pay in USD, you can also do that. And if you're on mobile, right, let me go to mobile version right here. So you can see this is the mobile version. So for you to see how you can change the currency on mobile version, you just need to click on these three lines. You can see from there you can now change the currency. Yeah, you can change the currency to any currency you want at all. You can see it has changed automatically, and you can scroll down to see everything. You can see you can go through everything and see the pricing, select how to cut, or you can just easily message me on WhatsApp right here. You can see DM me on WhatsApp here if you have any question, so that I can help you provide the perfect answer to it. So that is the end of this video. If you have any question, message me on WhatsApp. So alright guys, bye.